Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. Are you looking for the ultimate companion that travels with you and hydrates you? Stop looking around because you have found the right one here. LMNT Keto Electrolyte Powder is so delicious. I love their flavors: raspberry, watermelon, citrus, and orange. Once you're preparing it, you have that peace of mind that you're not putting a bunch of junk in your body. This is sweetened with stevia. It has minimal ingredients, but yet it's delicious, hydrating, and it allows me to recover sooner from my workout. So easy to prepare, and varying the flavors really helps me not to get tired of them. I really enjoy them. They're so delicious. They're paleo and keto friendly. And of course, they help me replenish and hydrate once I finish my workout, since water alone cannot do this. They're so easy to bring with you in your purse and to bring them whenever you're traveling. Out of so many I have tried, this has by far been my favorite one. And that is just my point of view.